If you've been following along, and I certainly hope you're subscribed and following and seeing all the things we're doing, especially with an emphasis on creating productive, useful things with 3D printing. To me, the end goal of maker stuff is like the old Star Trek Replicator, where you say, make me this, and then it comes out and it's ready to use. This is the closest I have ever gotten to having a replicator, because I went on, was it Thingiverse or Printables? I don't remember. I'll put a link in the description telling you where I got it. I typed in something like VESA, V-E-S-A, 100 to 200 millimeter adapter. This STL file, it was exactly what I needed. This is 100 millimeters on center between each of the 4 mounting positions here on the bracket. This is 200 millimeters between each one. So I just needed something to span that gap of 100 millimeters on each corner. And I thought at a centimeter thick, at 10 millimeters thick, that this looked like something I could print. And this test print was in PLA Pro, and it seems to be holding up just fine. It's holding a 40-inch monitor, an LED LCD monitor, that I actually don't know how much it weighs, but it's not terribly heavy. The smallest contact point are these small screws that you see in the corners here, attaching the metal mounting bracket to the printed bracket. So there you go, something useful. This took almost 3 hours to print on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon at the stock settings for PLA Pro, sliced off of the Orca slicer, whatever the latest version is, as of a couple days ago. And you can see it doesn't look like it's deformed any. It's been up here a couple days. Unfortunately, I didn't get the correct monitor for this application, so I'm about to take this apart. I wanted to leave it up for a while to validate that PLA Pro would be enough to hold this up cleanly. Unfortunately, I need to box it up and get rid of it and replace it with a different monitor, so I get some work done, because this just isn't working the way I hoped. But the mounting point worked great. I want to say it's 55% infill adaptive cubic. It is a Ringtong PLA Pro. Actually, I'm not sure that's what brand it is. I'll put in the description what the brand actually is, because I think I may have said the wrong thing there. So I'll check and put it in there. There you go. Useful things printed super easy with the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, acting like a replicator. Oh yeah.